Hello friends, now the mathematical expression as you can see here, to solve this expression we follow the Bodmas rule which dictates the order of operation, first brackets, orders, parts and roots, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Now here is the expression, we'll break it down by step solution. So now step 1, solve the innermost parenthesis. As you can see inside this parenthesis we must follow the Bodmas again. So we perform the multiplication before the subtraction. So the here 22 minus 22 multiply 2. Now first we perform multiplication. So 22 multiply by 2 you will get 44, and after subtract the values 22 minus 44 you will get 22. But the answer is in negative because the larger digit has a negative sign. Now in step 1 we simplify the smallest bracket first to reduce the overall complexity. Now the result becomes expression now step 2. In step 2 the solve curly brackets. As you can see the curly brackets, inside the curly brackets we first perform division before the addition. So we first 2 divided by 2, first we divide the values, we'll get 1 1 1, and after adding the values 1 1 1 plus and then minus 22, plus minus becomes minus 1 1 1 minus 22, it gets 89. So in step 2, solving the next set of brackets, follow the hierarchy moving from inner to outer. Now the expression becomes 2 2 2 minus square brackets 2 2 2 minus 89. Now step 3, solve the square brackets. Now we subtract the results from the curly braces from the number inside the square bracket. So square brackets numbers are 2 2 2 minus 8 9. So after getting we'll get 1 3 3 as a result. So in step 3 the resolves the final set of brackets leaving us with a simple subtraction. After we'll get the expression becomes 2 2 2 minus 1 3 3. Now final we subtract the values. So complete the final operation outside all the brackets. So after we getting 89 is the final answer. Final conclusion of this expression, by systematically applying the Bodmas rule starting from the innermost brackets and following the priority of division over addition. The final answer is 89 and I hope it is clear. We'll meet in the next video. Bye bye.